Hello, and welcome to Rubles Rambles here at the Maycomer Center. As you can see from the lack of snow, I filmed this in advance, because there better be snow by the time it gets out. You hear? Okay. Anyway, back to astronomy. So, on the morning of January 4th, from around 1 a.m. all the way till sunset, there's going to be a meteor shower called the Quadrantids, which is very unwell known, even though its rates can get as high as the Geminids in December or even the Perseids in August. The reason it's so unwell known is because its peak is very short, the time when it exhibits up to 120 meters per hour. And so you actually have to be on the night side of Earth when the peak rates are happening, because by the time Earth rotates you around to the night, it'll be too late. So us in North America will get the good side of Earth for this meteor shower, and so, as I said, from around 1 till sunrise, we should be able to see nice rates. Face north if you can. So the way meteor showers are named is by usually the constellation in which the radiant falls. The radiant is the spot from which all meteors appear to emanate. You can think of it like when you drive down a very long tunnel. At the beginning, all the lights in the tunnel appear to come from one spot, but they slowly come out and spread around you. But they still, if you trace their paths backward, would appear to all come from the same spot. It's kind of like that with meteors. As Earth plows through a trail of debris left by a comet, it hits all the dust particles that can be as small as a grain of sand, and so they all appear to come from one spot, even though they can appear to be all over the sky. If you trace their paths back, they will all appear to come from one spot in the sky. The reason this meteor shower is called the Quadrantids is because it's named after the constellation that it used to be in, called Quadrantids Muralis. A bunch of years ago, the International Astronomical Union adopted 88 official constellations, but in the olden times, like with the Greeks and Romans and all that stuff, they had other constellations like Quadrantids Muralis, which now the radiant of the Quadrantids lies in the constellation Boötes. So some people call them the Boötids, although that's not very widely used. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, ask me and I'll answer them. Hopefully it'll snow tons and tons and tons and clear skies.